Sticky. What? Sticky like fondue. Everybody, everybody. What? Sticky like fondue. Yeah. I want to hear y'all say sticky like fondue one more time. Come on, y'all. What? Sticky like fondue. Yeah. I want y'all to say sticky, sticky on this next one. What? Sticky, sticky. For me, y'all. Before we leave, I want to thank all of y'all for coming out. Please give yourselves a big hand. I want to thank KYS and our girl Melody Gray. She has been extremely kind to Divine Nature, helping us to get the exposure that we need. I'd also like to thank Budweiser True Music Live for giving us this opportunity. And of course, all of our Divine Nature Neo-Funkalistic fans. And Q&A is in the house too. Thanks, big brother. I want to introduce a man. And back on the drums is the real Coach Madison. Give him a hand, y'all. On guitar, our main man, Ricky Rockstar. And the lead vocals, Mother Nature herself, Adaye, y'all. Thank y'all. I just want to thank y'all. This brother wants to say something. Give us a last word. What did you enjoy yourself?
Big Gary on the jokes right there. Talking about big brother Phil, Nancy, my man, Dante back in the crowd, everybody out there came out here. Let's shake it up. Let's shake it up one more time, baby boy.
We want to thank Perfect Sound also for doing a wonderful job tonight. Thank y'all. We are Divine Nature. We do have CDs, t-shirts. I have some cards for our gig coming up every Tuesday. Come see me.